Is your Windows 11 PC feeling slow, bloated, and heavy? Don't throw away your hardware just yet. Today, we are looking at Apophis 11, a custom, ultra-light edition of Windows 11 built by the TeamOS community. As you can see, this build features a jaw-dropping, custom dark theme and completely redesigned icon packs right out of the box. Now, after installing Apophis 11, let's see the right-click menu. Right-click menu contain new feature like window registry and slide to shut down, and you can restart Explorer instead of use Task Manager to end task and so on. Let's check personalization to see some backgrounds and themes. Now let's see some of the wallpaper that the developer added in folder. The wallpaper number is more than 40, which is feeling you are in the future and as like your professional feeling. Let's see operating system installation size on C drive. The entire operating system installation takes up just 8 GB of disk space. Compression of Windows 11, which is take more than 25 GB of installation space of C drive. Let's open up Task Manager and look at the real magic. While normal Windows 11 easily eats up for 8 GB of RAM just sitting idle, Apophis 11 consumes only 1 GB of RAM. Apophis 11 developer have added files and services to make Windows 11 adult situation. And Apophis 11 developer added browsers like Brave and Google Chrome. I recommend you to install Brave browser. The developers have completely stripped out Microsoft's aggressive background telemetry, force tracking, and pre-installed bloatware. Every single menu and settings page opens instantly. It gives you absolute privacy, maximum speed, and complete control over what runs on your machine. If you want to revive an old laptop or get the absolute best performance out of your desktop, Apophis 11 is a game changer. You can find the official link to the TeamOS thread in the description below. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to Tech for Boost for more clean hardware optimizations. See you in the next one.